my Lord, you're the love of my life. Wherever you go, wanna be by your side. No longer I, but Christ living in me, serving you for all eternity. My eyes set on you, in this race that I run. No longer my ways, let your will be done. Make me a servant, my heart's ever true. Living to the cross, I follow you. I follow you.
Sige po, isa-isa po tayo na let us pray and then surrender lahat nating itong gagawin.